শুভ সন্ধ্যা বন্ধুরা, আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন physionews24.com এর নিয়মিত লাইভ শো শামীম লাইভ। আর যথারীতি আমি শামীম হোসেন চলে এসেছি আপনাদের মাঝে। বন্ধুরা, মাঝে মাঝে আমরা কিন্তু স্পোর্টস ফিল্ডে স্পোর্টস প্লেয়ারদেরকে দেখতে পাই গায়ে খুব সুন্দর করে ট্যাটু করা। আমরা চিন্তায় পড়ে যাই আসলে এটা কি ট্যাটু। অনেকে যারা একটু খোঁজ খবর রাখি, যারা একটু অনলাইনে জিনিসগুলো নিয়ে ঘাটাঘাটি করি, তারা কিন্তু দেখি যে আসলে এটি ট্যাটু নয়, এটি তাদের ট্রিটমেন্ট পারপাসে ইউজ করা হচ্ছে, যেটাকে বলা হয় ক্যানিসিল টেপ। তো অনেকেই ইদানিং চেম্বার প্র্যাকটিসে বিশেষ করে ফিজিওথেরাপিস্ট আসলে এটি কিন্তু অনেক ইউজ করেন এবং এটি প্রায় তাদের পেশেন্টদেরকে তারা দিয়ে থাকেন। তো আজকে আমরা আমাদের এই শোটিতে এই ক্যানিসিল টেপ নিয়ে আলোচনা করব এবং কেন এটি ইউজ করা হয়, কিভাবে ইউজ করা হয় বা কি কারণে ইউজ করা হয়। আর আবার একটু বলে রাখি, আজকে আমাদের শোটি কিন্তু একটু স্পেশাল, বিকজ আমাদের শোতে আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন প্রোগ্রামের গেস্ট এবং তিনি ক্যানিসিল টেপিং এর উপর খুবই স্পেশালিস্ট একজন পার্সন। উনি আসলে আজকে আমাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলবেন। আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন ডক্টর সিএস রাম, যিনি ডাইরেক্টর আইটিএস ফিজিওথেরাপি এন্ড বায়োলজিক্যাল কলেজ ইন্ডিয়া, এবং স্যার আমাদের সঙ্গে যুক্ত রয়েছেন। আজকে আমাদেরকে স্যার আসলে এই যে ক্যানিসিল টেপের বিস্তারিত বলবেন, কিভাবে এটি ইউজ করা হয়, অথবা এটি কি পারপাস ইউজ করা হয় এবং কাদের জন্য প্রয়োজন এবং কারা কারা ইউজ করে থাকে, বিভিন্ন ধরনের ব্যাপার নিয়ে আমাদের আলোচনা করব। তো আমরা চাই যারা আমাদেরকে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন তারা সকলে আমাদের সঙ্গে যুক্ত হন এবং আপনাদের কোনো প্রশ্ন, কোনো জানার কিছু থাকলে সেগুলো কমেন্ট বক্সে আমাদেরকে লিখুন, তাহলে স্যার সেগুলো উত্তর দিতে পারবেন। স্যার, ওয়েলকাম টু physionews24 Facebook live show শামীম লাইভ।
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Good evening to all of you.
Thank you, sir. So the topic is the show Kinesio tape. So what is the Kinesio tape?
Kinesio tape is basically a new kind of tape which has come in the market, and it is basically an elastic tape. What is the earlier also we used to have elastic tape in our countries like India and Bangladesh, but those tapes were very thick, and the glue which was used in those tapes was very you can say harmful for the skin. So nowadays we are having this new kind of tape which is called as Kinesio tape, which is manufactured abroad. It is manufactured from developed countries, and this is being imported in our countries. So this is a very thin kind of tape, and so for example I would like to say that people would have seen this kind of a tape, okay, which is used as a medical tape normally, and you can see here this is a white tape, okay. So this kind of a tape. Now this kind of a tape is actually called as a white tape, which we use for dressing of wounds and things like that. We can use micropore also for dressing of wounds, but if you want more rigid application, then we used this rigid tape. This is also called as white tape. And in the field of orthopedics, we are using another kind of tape which is called as elastic tape. Now elastic tape is this kind of a tape, okay. This kind of a tape is called elastic tape, and if you see from the other side, it has got a very strong adhesion. It will attach to the skin, and it will stay for almost 1 week to 10 days also it can stay. So this kind of a tape we are using for reduction of dislocations, and for example, like we are using for acromioclavicular joint dislocations, we are using this kind of a tape. But recently, since the whole world is going into sports and many people are playing sports, so what we are finding is that we don't need this kind of big tapes which are rigid or which stick to the skin very tightly. People need tapes which they can wear for 1 or 2 days or 3 days maximum, and then they can remove it. The advantages of removing this kinesio tape easily is that it doesn't cause any irritation on the skin. Okay, and this tape which I showed earlier, this has got an adhesion based upon zinc oxide. Now zinc oxide is harmful for the skin. It causes allergy. But kinesio tape, I will show you the kinesio tape also. So this is a piece of kinesio tape you can see. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is a roll of kinesio tape. So this is a very thin tape. Okay. When you attach to the skin, many people will not even come to know whether you have attached any tape or not. Okay. It is basically named kinesio because it comes from the word kinesio. Kinesio basically means movement. So movement means you can do movement along with this application of this tape. So this is the basic introduction I would like to give. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. But what is the difference between Leuco or other tape to kinesio tape?
See, Leuco tape, the basic difference is kinesio tape is elastic. Leuco tape is not elastic. When you apply Leuco tape to the skin, you cannot move the body part. If you move the body part, the Leuco tape will come off. It will come off and it will remain ineffective. Okay, but kinesio tape, when you apply, you can actually move the body part. You can move the body part, you can even play sports, you can walk, you can run, you can do all your normal daily activities.
So how does the kinesio tape work in this field?
Kinesio tape, like I was telling, it comes from the word kinesio, which means movement. So kinesio tape has got a special function that it elongates along with the muscle. So for example, when I am applying kinesio tape to a muscle which is injured, for example, say my hamstring muscle is injured and I am applying kinesio tape to the hamstring muscle, then the person whom I have applied is say a runner. So the runner will, when he will run, he will use his hamstring, and supposing he has to cross one hurdle, like they do in hurdles, 100-meter hurdles and all they do, he has to cross a hurdle. So when he will lift his leg, when he will do flexion of the leg, then what will happen? Then his hamstring will get stretched. Now if supposing at that point of time he has got pain, he has got a hamstring pull, what will happen? The hamstring muscle will show pain. It will exhibit pain. And if I have applied kinesio tape to this hamstring muscle, there is a feedback which goes to the brain that he has to limit his movement. He has to limit his movement, and along with the muscle elongation, this tape will also elongate. So it will give a feedback. So the main function of this tape is providing a feedback to the brain, to the spinal cord, which goes up to the sensory centers in our brain, and they come to know, okay, now my muscle is elongating, it is getting stretched, so I should not stretch it much. So the person is able to control his movement on his own. Okay. So there are many other effects of kinesio tape also. The kinesio tape has got, I'll just show one presentation. Nowadays it is being used in by many elite athletes also. Okay. So
বন্ধুরা কিন্তু আপনারা দেখতে
Are you able to see?
Yeah.
नहीं देख पाएंगे। Stop screen sharing. ये फिर से स्क्रीन शेयर करो। ये करो। अब ये खोलो। ये खोलो। ये खोलो ना। अब इसे इस तरफ ले जाओ। हाँ।
বন্ধুরা আমরা কিন্তু কাইনেসিও টেপ নিয়ে কথা বলছি এবং আমরা স্যারের একটা প্রেজেন্টেশন দেখবো, তাই আমরা চাচ্ছি আপনারা আমাদের সঙ্গে যুক্ত থাকুন। আমরা স্যারের কাইনেসিও টেপের উপর খুব চমৎকার একটি প্রেজেন্টেশন আমরা দেখতে চাচ্ছি।
So I think if I make it the slideshow, then the whole screen will get blocked. So I'm just going to talk right now. You see the big players like David Beckham or Serena Williams and Venus Williams and even tennis players, swimmers, everybody is using this tape. This tape is in the Western world, it is not new, because if you see, it was developed in the 1970s, and the country where it was first developed was Japan. So it was developed by a person called as Dr. Kenzo Case and Nito Denko in Japan in early 1970s. And thereafter, when the Japanese athletes came for the Seoul Olympics in 1988, so this tape got international exposure. When the other athletes saw that this tape is being worn by Japanese athletes, so they wanted to inquire what it is. And then it became very popular after the Seoul Olympics. Officially, it was introduced in USA in 1995, and that also is around more than 15 years back. So we are in 2020, and India or Bangladesh, still not many people know about what Kinesio tape is, and many people don't use it. One important thing is, it is not just useful in the field of sports. It can be used in many fields. It can be used in the field of orthopedics. It can be used in the field of gynae. It can be used even in the field of visceral problems, because Kinesio tape has got many effects. Important thing is, it uses the body's own healing process, because it will give the body part rest. So when we talk of tape, like you earlier mentioned, that we have many. What is the difference between a normal leucoplast tape and this Kinesio tape? So this leucoplast tape, for example, a person has got a lateral ankle sprain. Then what will happen? We need to immobilize the body part, and when we immobilize the body part, we are actually, the person is not able to move the ankle. Supposing it is a mild sprain, say grade 1 or grade 2 sprain. So what we want is, we want that there should be some amount of movement. Some amount of movement should be possible, along with some immobilization. Of course, if it is a grade 3 problem, then we need to immobilize it completely, and we need to probably apply a plaster cast also. And we need to, the patient needs to go to an orthopedic surgeon. But for example, if it is a mild sprain, say grade 1, and the player wants to play, and the person wants to walk, so we can use this option of Kinesio tape. So coming to the taping options, like we have got the athletic tape, that is one tape which I have showed earlier. And then we have got the McConnell tape. This tape is a semi-rigid tape. So this is basically, it has got some amount of elasticity, not as much elastic as Kinesio tape. This tape is used for corrections, like we use for some corrections of deformities and all, McConnell tape. Right now I don't have McConnell tape because of this lockdown, and I hope in Bangladesh also lockdown is going on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So because of the lockdown, I don't have this tape right now. And then we have the Kinexio tape. So if you see the Kinexio tape, there are some lines in this tape on the back side. Okay, I'll just show. So there are some lines on this tape which are on the back side, and these lines are actually in the sine wave pattern. Sine wave pattern mane stretch korle eta straight hoye jabe. So this pattern actually gives the elasticity to the tape, and it is used to facilitate and modify biomechanics. So what happens is we are able to use this elasticity in the way that this Kinexio tape is providing to modify the biomechanics and reduce pain. One important feature of Kinexio tape is it elongates in only one direction. One longitudinal axis only it elongates. Okay. So you see, Shamim, I think this basic differences I have already told. Now, coming to the properties of this tape. If you see the material properties of this tape, the thickness, the weight and elasticity. The tape I have already shown you, this tape is very thin. People will also even not come to know whether you have applied. So if you want to use it cosmetically, for example, a person is there, he's a executive in a top company, and he works in a company where he can't actually wear a belt, back belt, like lumbosacral belt, and he is very conscious about wearing a belt. So when you apply this kind of a tape, it will help him in first of all, people will not come to know, because he has used a tape which is supporting his back. His low back pain gets reduced, and people will not come to know whether he has applied the tape or not. It can be put under the shirt. Okay, so thickness is also very, very less. Then weight, it's very lightweight. So when you apply it on the body, the body will not come to know, and it will be very comfortable. Then second thing is it can stretch up to 40% of its original length. So if you stretch it, it can stretch. So for example, the tape, if you take a piece of tape which is 10 centimeters long and you stretch it, it can go up to 14 centimeters. Okay, so its stretchability is good. Unlike your rigid tape, for example, this is my rigid tape. Okay, this is my rigid tape. I'm trying to stretch it. See, I'm trying to pull it, but it is not getting pulled. This is leucoplast. Okay, so you cannot pull it. But when you use a Kinexio tape, for example, this is a Kinexio tape. I'm just showing it. So Kinexio tape, you see Kinexio tape, when I am stretching it, it can stretch. It can stretch up to a limit. It can stretch 40% of its original length. Okay, and it is made of cotton material, so it is very comfortable. Sweating is not a problem. In countries like India and Bangladesh, people sweat a lot. So even with sweat, it is not a problem. And the glue which is used on the back side is the glue. Okay, the glue which is used is an acryl glue. Acryl glue basically means a synthetic glue. It is not allergic. It will not cause any allergy. Like I said, if you use this kind of a tape, it will cause allergy because it is using a zinc oxide glue. So this glue is also not allergic, and it is waterproof. So waterproof basically means that we can use it underwater also. So for example, ladies are there who have say some problem in the hand, they want to work in the kitchen, so they can apply this tape and work. Swimmers are there who can swim in the pool, or people can get hydrotherapy also after applying the tape. Okay. Yes, Shamim, you want to ask something?
We got some questions, sir. Then one question is here. It is useful for post-stroke patient. Kinesiotip is useful for usable for post-stroke patient.
Yeah, it is useful for post-stroke patient. For example, post-stroke patient, they have this problem of shoulder subluxation. Because when the stroke occurs, hemiplegia occurs, so this hemiplegia will cause paralysis of the shoulder, and because of that, drooping of the shoulder will occur. Okay, that is called shoulder subluxation. So we have seen that there are some articles which show that applying a kinesio tape helps in reducing this subluxation, and it will give support. Okay. So if you ask me kinesio tape comparison with a rigid tape or an different say an elastitape crepe, if you see, you have to, your judgment has to be good. As a physiotherapist, as a clinician, we have to judge which tape to be used in which kind of a condition. That depends upon our skill and our judgment, because not all conditions you can apply kinesio tape, and not all conditions you can apply rigid tape. Okay, so it's a big field in itself. I mean, I can speak for a different length of time. Time will not permit. But there are various joints, various muscles, various ligaments for which application is having a specific technique. Each muscle, each ligament, the technique of application is different. So with this kinesio tape, right, today like our topic is kinesio taping, so we'll restrict our talk to that only. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. But how many days lasting the on session of kinesio tape before changing the next session?
Kinesio tape normally you can apply for 2 to 3 days continuously. It will last for 3 days if it is a good quality tape. If you see, like I said, kinesio tape is a very light tape. Its glue is also very good, so it will last for 2 to 3 days. Now, question is, many people think that can they afford? I think your back of the mind, the question is, can they afford this kind of a tape? So there are many qualities of kinesio tape which are available. Okay, you have this kinesio tape is manufactured in China also. Kinesio tape is manufactured in Korea. Kinesio tape is manufactured in Japan. Kinesio tape is manufactured in Germany. Naturally, European quality of the kinesio tape quality is better. But if you come to other countries, quality depends. And naturally, the prices also vary. The price of kinesio tape here in India is anywhere from 400 rupees to 1500 rupees. Okay, per roll. This is one roll. This is one roll of kinesio tape, which is costing around 400 to 1500, depending upon the quality. Okay, good clinics, good physiotherapists, they will use good quality tape because they want good results. And I hope in Bangladesh also people are there, good physiotherapists are there who have good clinics and they would like to use good quality tape.
So when and which condition a physio can use kinesio tape?
A physio can use a kinesio tape in many kind of conditions. There can be, like I discussed earlier, there can be a muscular injury, a pull of a muscle. It can be a ligament sprain. It can be a joint problem. It can be, say, a joint problem like patellar tracking Patellar tracking is when the patella goes laterally, okay, and it gets malaligned. Or kinesio tape can be used in lymphatic drainage also. When supposing there is a swelling and you want to increase the lymphatic drainage, so you can use kinesio tape in those kind of conditions also. Okay. So advantages, yeah.
Please continue.
Please. Yeah, no, it's okay. I mean, you can ask the question. If any question has come from the viewers, you can ask.
No, many people have joined with us, and they, especially thanks to you for your nice information.
Okay. So I would like to say I would like to add upon this that what are the advantages of using a kinesio tape? Okay. So like normally you have, when you apply a rigid tape, you can't use, it is not waterproof, first of all. So kinesio tape is waterproof. So you can use, along with the kinesio tape, you can use cryotherapy. You can give cryotherapy over the tape. Okay. It is because it is waterproof. Then you can perform hydrotherapy. You can take the patient into the pool, or you can apply hot pack. You can apply contrast bath. All these things you can do. And also you can do manual therapy. Manual mobilization, stretching, all these things you can do along with the application of kinesio tape. And the kinesio tape can be applied and worn 24 hours a day. No need to remove the tape and then apply it again. It can be worn 24 hours a day and up to 3 to 5 days. I have seen patients who have applied, I have applied on the patients. It can stay up to 5 days also. Okay. Yeah. Please, Shamim, if anybody has a question or something, you can always ask. And I am speaking in English. আমি বাংলা বুঝতে পারি কিন্তু ভালো করে বলতে পারি না।
ওকে স্যার, অনেক পিপল আসলে জয়েন করেছে আমাদের সাথে, কিন্তু তারা সবাই আসলে আপনার প্রেজেন্টেশনে সবাই খুশি এবং তারা আসলে খুব ভালো লাগছে তাদের। বিশেষ করে আমাদের সঙ্গে মাত্রই জয়েন করলেন ডক্টর শান্তনু মল্লিক।
ওকে।
এবং আপনাকে স্পেশাল থ্যাঙ্কস দিয়েছেন উনি।
আচ্ছা, yes, Dr. Shantanu, good evening and thanks for joining this live session. I'm with you all, and I'm hoping that in near future, when the lockdown is over, we can meet sometime. Okay.
স্যার, আমরা প্রোগ্রাম একদম শেষে চলে এসেছি। আমরা এখন যাওয়ার আগে আসলে শেষ মুহূর্তে যদি আমাদের ফিজিওদের জন্য এবং আমাদের জন্য আপনার কোনো টিপস থাকে।
For kinesio taping or general? Okay. Tips you have to be you have to have good knowledge. First of all, the most important thing is good knowledge. It should be backed with your knowledge of anatomy and physiology. Anatomy or physiology are very, very important. When whatever we are doing, even if we are doing massage, even if you are doing stretching, even if you are doing strengthening, whatever we are doing, it should always be in your back of your mind that what is the anatomy I am dealing with, what is the physiology I am dealing with. So ओइटा क्लियर होते सब ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक है। So what I mean to say, that should be there in the mind of the physiotherapist. What happens when we grow older, like say physiotherapist passes out and he comes into practice, he loses touch with anatomy and physiology, and he is basically doing things like in a very, very mechanical way. Mechanical, I would say, because he has learned in some way and he started doing the practice. After the practice starts, people stop learning, and that should not be there, especially in physios, because every day new developments are going on. Our field is still very new, our field is very young, and I think we are also part of the young generation, so we should keep on upgrading ourselves. That is my only suggestion to all the physios in Bangladesh.
Thank you, sir. দর্শক, আমরা আসলে শুনছিলাম যে কাইনেসিও টেপ নিয়ে বেশ কিছু কথা, এবং স্যার একটা ছোট্ট আমরা প্রেজেন্টেশনও দেখলাম। আমরা আসলে জানার চেষ্টা করেছি যে একজন ফিজিওথেরাপিস্ট হিসেবে আমরা যারা ফিজিওথেরাপিস্টরা রয়েছি তারা আসলে কাইনেসো টেপটা কেন ইউজ করি বা এটা আসলে কি কি ইফেক্টিভনেস রয়েছে বা কোন কোন পারপাস ইউজ হয়। তো হয়তো আমরা আসলে ভেরিয়েশন টাইপ অফ প্রোগ্রাম নিয়ে আসছি আপনাদের সাথে, কখনো পাবলিক অ্যাওয়ারনেস রিলেটেড প্রোগ্রাম, কখনো আসলে আমরা এডুকেশন রিলেটেড প্রোগ্রাম, ডিফারেন্ট প্রোগ্রাম নিয়ে আমরা আসলে হাজির হব এবং বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে আমাদের সঙ্গে আমাদের অতিথিরা যুক্ত হবেন। তো যারা আমাদের সঙ্গে এতক্ষণ ছিলেন সকলকে আন্তরিক ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। আপনারা আমাদের সঙ্গে যুক্ত হয়েছেন এবং আপনারা সকলে এনজয় করেছেন আমাদের প্রোগ্রামটি। স্পেশালি থ্যাঙ্কস স্যারের জন্য, স্যার আসলে আমাদেরকে সময় দিয়েছেন। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। সকলকে আবারও ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের পরবর্তী লাইভ প্রোগ্রাম দেখার আমন্ত্রণ রইল।
Okay. So you are ending the program?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope it was okay. And if any viewers have got any question, I think they can ask me. My email ID I have already given. They can send me a mail also, or they can ask from your program. You can forward the question to me. I would be happy to help them and answer the questions.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.